place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Rotate the latch to secure it. Repeat the same steps for the front passenger seat. Next, place the floor mats in the back seat. Adjust their position so the edges fit snugly. If you purchase a package that includes a carpet, you'll need to first place the floor mats designed for the carpet. Rotate the clips to secure them in place. Then, place the carpet on top and press the clips firmly to secure it. Similarly, for the front passenger seat, place the floor mats designed for the carpet first, and finally press the clips firmly to secure them.